Hello, my name is Audrus. This will be a quick introduction video about what I will teach. I will try to make this video as short as possible, also as clear as possible, just for you to acknowledge my teaching techniques, my content, and me in general. If you find yourself examining my videos, I already assume you are looking to learn programming or electrical engineering. I do teach several programming languages such as C and C++, TypeScript, advanced JavaScript, but in general I will focus on hardware programming or efficient logic computation algorithms and techniques. So in later videos I will quickly break down several concepts, conventions, and arithmetics such as logic gates, which is used in both electrical engineering circuits and high-level programming languages. I will put aside JavaScript and Java interpreter just for now to another videos. I will also introduce C bitwise operators, two's complement table chart, and binary table. I will explain what it is and why you need them. I will tell you some techniques of how to quickly convert from and to binary ASCII encoding without any program support, and also I will show my work environment in case you like it, because I think it's quick and efficient way of coding. I use NeoVim, Vim, Suckless, Tail Window Manager, things like that, and that's all. So let's get started.